Hi there shed fans, welcome back, thanks for watching. Today's video for my RT channel is I'm going to make a dolly up so I can tow 2 trailers with my globe liner. In this video I've bought this red frame, a resin printed one, 3D printed one, and I'm just going to put my framework, put my suspension under, my Tamiya suspension under it, and then I've got wheels and tyres already. I've just noticed a problem with this. I've put this plate in here and it's catching. It's my 5th wheel release and it's catching on my drawbar. So I could use this. In fact, I'll change it for this silver one. I think that silver one's going to be better. This is a standard one off of me globe liner. I've changed me. I've got motorised legs and electric and servo 5th wheel on me globe liner. So I don't need. So this is from that. So I change this round. Put that smaller one in. I think that might be better. Yeah, that's better. What I'll do is I'll trim these bits away off at front here, which will allow that to pivot better there. But I don't need to trim that. I don't need to trim that off. I got this dolly frame off eBay. So you only get this. You get this main frame here, and this A frame. You don't get this pin, or these nuts, or this feather bar. I've drilled that out and put that in to make it look a bit more. Try and make it look a bit more realistic. So what I'm going to do is just quickly nip this off. When it wants to come off. So I need to change this arm round as well. Because that's a different arm. Very different nut and bolt, shall I say. So luckily I've got a few in here. And I just need to make a front back of me pole trailer, flatbed pole trailer. I need to make a new fitting up for that, so I can put the other so I can put this drawbar into it. But I need to do something for that. I haven't decided yet, so I need to get my thinking cap on for that. I might just cut some brass, a nice piece of brass plate. Let's cut a piece of brass plate and just drop it down from these two screw holes, so it comes down to here. Then probably put a bar across, and try that, I think, for that one. Right, so that's that. So now that moves up and down properly. And then fifth wheel, and I've got my release. So I'll start with this suspension. Right, so that's that one, that one. That's not quite straight. These, I suppose I should have test fitted it all and got it all fitted up first before painting it. But hey ho, you live and learn, don't you? so that's that side. That's that side down. I don't know what's happening to it now because it's right. So I can do. That's not making a noise. So I'll put these. I'm going to grease everything as I'm doing it, so that it don't squeak or rattle or make an audible noise when you're driving down the road. They do make an audible row, these, when they're not greased up and not working properly. I painted it red because I thought I fancy something a bit different looking. When it's under the truck, you're not really going to see it anyway. So you can see there, my holes are not lined up in plastic. So that's a bit of a problem with 3D printing, I think. If I gun that up completely, then hopefully I'll be able to own it out. Right, so that's my suspension on, and that pivots works exactly how others does, how it works on a Tamiya. It's a Tamiya truck suspension, so it all works the same. But if you listen, and some of these shockers are a bit noisy. That's what I lost earlier, digging screw. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to unscrew these. I think I might fill them with grease, or put some in them, put some grease in them, and then see if that cures the noise. I'll just pause it while I find my grease.